Okay, we're picking rambutan today, and there's a lot of them. Whole tree full. And they're super delicious. Ripe. Sweet. Oh man. Absolutely awesome. Still a couple buckets. Enjoy ourselves. A lot of fruits. Rambutans, they can sell up to $2.50 each of our money. And there's about 38 of our dollars in the US dollar. Kind of shows you where you're at with this fruit. Usually it sells for $1.50 for the lower quality rambutans. There's some really high quality rambutans. And we have the Vietnamese pink, which are very meaty, really nice, expensive ones. These ones are just the yellow ones. They're really sweet too. I like them better than the red, but some red are really nice as well. Oh, expensive to taste. Some red are a lot more sour than these ones too. So let's find some more over here.